Hello, I'm JudieMonroe, owner of About Face XJM, located in Nacogdoches, Texas, and Houston, Texas. And I also travel, maybe to a city near you, 2021.
Oh, that girl, you got it, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. You got it, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you my little baby, I'm gonna make it known. Let that nigga hate, girl, what it?
I created this channel to inspire and be an outlet to new and upcoming lash artists, as well as to help others grow their business. On my channel, I will be talking skincare, products, lash tips, also vlogs and tutorials, so stick tuned with us. I'll be answering all the big questions that everyone has been asking me on IG and Facebook, so tune in.
Okay. So why did you become a lash artist?
Starting my journey, it was a lot going on. I worked fast food for like 5 or 6 years, and I was just overworking for other people. Long hours. I know when I tried to take off a lot of times, I couldn't get off, and it was just so aggravating. In Houston, I worked 2-3 jobs, and I was just over it at that day. Going on IG, seeing other people make money, and I was like, I want to in. So once I took the class, it was okay. Wasn't everything I wanted it to be. However, I did start to practice and get more into lashes, and I love it.
What do you think the difference between passion and just making money?
The difference between passion and just making money, when you're just in it for making money, you're just in it just to do it at that time. I mean, when you're in it to make money, you're not going to be as passionate about it, as driven about it. You're not going to have the drive that you need for your business to succeed. It's always best to put your mind to it and just have heart about whatever you're doing, so that you know nothing can break you down from it, nothing can stop you from achieving your goals.
How did you get your name?
I got my name because I used to rap a long time ago, and it was just like a hobby for me, something to do, having fun, and I stuck with the name. There's so many Ashleys out there, and I just want to be unique and different. So JudieMonroe. Monroe is a public figure. Everybody loves her. When you see her, she's going to be flawless. She's going to be on point. So I just feel like Monroe is just, a flawless person. So it's good for any beauty brand. And as far as About Face, I actually went through a couple of names before I came up with that one. But my brother-in-law was in the military, and I don't know. It's just something very straightforward about Face. Like, you mean get in order. Like, when you come in here, everything I do is about face. Right now, esthetician, so yeah, get into it. It's all about the face.
And what are the pros and cons in the lash business?
Pros and cons. Cons is, like I said, you can't just be in it for the money. You actually have to get into it and be passionate about it. You gotta have that drive to want to get the money. That's what's gonna bring your customers. That's what's gonna bring the money to you without you having to do any extra effort. Okay, so as far as the pros, I love creating a bond between me and my client. We're always able to talk. I'm able to inspire them. And I mean, I love doing that. I love speaking life into others. So me being able to create a bond between me and them, that's everything to me. Another pro is the money. Like I said, when you're passionate about what you're doing, the money is going to come. And I love being able to help my family and just be a vessel for others. And without doing lashes, I wouldn't be able to do that.
When did you feel confident in taking in clients?
For about half of the year that I first started, I was really skeptical about taking clients. I was nervous, but friends and family. I always tell people to practice on your friends and family. Call them up, hey, let me do your lashes. That was my main thing. When I was in Houston, I didn't know really anybody, but I had a couple friends from Nacogdoches that were able to let me do them. And yeah, so once I started doing those people and posting it on IG, making myself look real professional, others just followed. My goal is to help other artists with their lash business, just because I know how difficult things were for me coming up as a lash artist and starting my business. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can get notifications on all upcoming video vlogs and good stuff.
You got it,